Hi guys, we are working on our chapter 7 pre-test practice or test practice. It'd be lesson 8 on Edulastic. It is page 109 in your packets. Page 109 in your packets. Okay, number 1, the variable in 9x plus 63 equals 198 is, variable is just a fancy word for a letter. So what is the only letter in this equation? A. The coefficient in 8 times p equals 897. You guys didn't have to learn about coefficients, which is totally fine, but it's the number that is tied to our letter. I did kind of mention it in our review on the last page. If you remember that, I gave you the answer up above. So if you know what is connected to your p, what are you multiplying by? Your coefficient would be 8. Number 3, the verbal expression a number squared then increased by 10 can be written as, so we have a number, I'm going to put n for number or x, it looks like they used x, so I'm going to actually erase the n. Let's put x for a number, keyword squared, and increased by 10. Those are our clues. So the first thing we need to do is take our number, x, and then we take it and square it. Square means we're putting it to the second power. Then it says increase. If you remember, if we are increasing something, we are adding. So we are adding 10 to that. So the problem that shows me x squared plus 10 would be C. All right, number 4. Which equation would be used to find the sale price of a television on sale for 25% off of $150? If our original cost was $150 and we want to know 25% off, 25% of this price is what we are saving. But the reality is, if we want to know the sale price, we want to know what we'll pay. So we are saving this amount and then taking it away from $150. So $150 is the original cost. 25% is what I save, but I want to know my sale price. So realistically, I want to know $150, take away the 25, not dollars, 25% that I save and get my sale price. Now, to solve for 25% of 150, that equation would be 25% times $150. Now that we know that, you guys know how to turn a percent into a decimal. You just bump back 2 hops. If I bump back 2 hops, it's really 0.25. Now that we know this, now we should be able to solve. The correct answer would be B, because I would take a total and subtract whatever this is, and that would give me my sale price. That's what I pay for my TV. All right, number 5, which would not be expressed as x minus 4. So x would be a number, and minus sign means we're going less or decreased or any of those clue words that we know, minus 4. So 4 less than a number? Yes, because we have 4 less than x. 4 more than a number. Am I adding 4 to x? No. So this one's not possible. This is a good option, but let's check the others. A number less than 4. A number less than 4. Good. That one is okay. We got to get rid of that one. A number decreased by 4. A number decreased by 4. Yes, that makes sense. So 4 more than a number. That would be wrong. All right, now, which of the following is an example of the distributive property of multiplication? Remember, if we are distributing a number, we have both multiplication and division. So we would be distributing it to each piece inside. Find your best option. Good. Your best option would be B. We distributed 7 to 4. Oh, I'm wrong. It's not 7. It is not B. Boom, boom, boom. My best option would be C, 7 times 4, and then I'm multiplying, so 7 times 4 times 7 times 3, plus 7 times 3. That would be our correct answer. All right, next, solve. X times 3 plus 4 times 12 divided by 6. Here's where those order of operations comes into play again. does. All right, here we go. 8 times 3 is not what we would, well, I mean, we are starting in parentheses, so we would start with both of our parentheses. 8 times 3 and 12 divided by 6. So we have to start in our parentheses. So our first parentheses would give me 8 times 3, which is 24. My second parentheses would give me 12 divided by 6, which is 2. I remove my parentheses. I replace it with a multiplication sign. Here's my new problem. 24 plus 4 times the 2 that I had left. Then I go to exponents. I don't have multiply, divide. I have one multiplication piece. 4 times 2 is 8. Last step, add. 24 plus 8 would give me 32. All right, a number halved is 16, but B expressed as, what would it be expressed as? So if I took a number and I cut it in half, it would equal 16. So a number X, if I cut it in half, I'm dividing it by 2, and it would be 16 because is tells me the equal sign. Now, none of these say 4 divided by 2 equals 16. So reminder, or not 4, X divided by 2 equals 16. Reminder, a division sign can also be a fraction bar. So if I replace this with this, or this with this, then it would really be X over 2 divided by 16. So this would be our guy. All right, backside. Last page, number 9. Mr. Alberetti opened a bakery. This month, his total sales, T, increased by 20% over the last month, X. Which expression would show his sales this month? So if he made X amount last month and increased by 20% this month, we made X amount last month. He went up, increased, added, and we want 20% over last month. So his total sales this month, his total sales were T. Increased it by 20% over the last month, X. So 20% of X. So we would have to go plus the 20% of X, which is really 0.20 times X, which would equal the total amount. So we have to know what is 20% and then add it back to X to get the total. So my answer would be B. Number 10, if Shanna ran 8 laps more than Kelly and Devin ran 9 more laps than Kelly, which expression shows Devin's laps in terms of Kelly? K, that would be Shanna ran 8 more, Devin ran 9 more, which expression shows Devin's laps in terms of Kelly? K. So if Devin ran 9 more than Kelly, we just want to know Devin's laps in terms of Kelly's. So if we just want to know Devin's laps compared to Kelly's, all we have to know is that Devin ran 9 more than Kelly. That's easy enough. So all we do is Kelly plus 9. So 9 more than Kelly. Which of the following is an example of the associative property? The associative property, remember, has all addition and parentheses. So the only problem that has parentheses in all addition is A. Twice a number divided by 5 would be expressed by C. Going up to the top. Pop's Pizza is having a delivery special. They charged a flat rate of 99 cents delivery, which is a $2 savings, and have medium 1-topping pizzas for $5 M and a large 1-topping pizza for $6 L. extra toppings are 59 cents each. You're just answering the best option. Jeff ordered 2 medium pepperoni pizzas. Which equation best shows his total cost? So C is our total, so obviously our answer has to be C. That's a good testament right there. Second, he ordered 2 medium pizzas. A medium pizza, one topping is $5. So we don't really care about the large. All we care about is the medium. So if medium pizzas are each $5, we need 2 medium pizzas, but we also have a 99-cent delivery fee. So 2 times the medium pizzas, and we have to add back 99 cents. So A is our best option. Maria bought 3 pizzas, 2 medium and 1 large. Which equation best shows her total cost? C. So Maria bought 3 pizzas, 2 mediums, so 2M, 1 large, 1L, and she needs a 99-cent delivery fee because we always have a delivery fee. So 2 mediums, 2M, 1 large, L, and a 99-cent delivery fee equals D. Simplify. We always start in parentheses. Then we go to multiplication, and then we add. 45 plus 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that would be 52. Last one. Simplify. Parentheses. Be 6. Parentheses. We have to start with our exponents. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Now I have a new problem. 4 times 6, take away 18 plus 12. Next step, multiply. 24, take away 18 plus 12. Now I go in the order left to right. 24 take away 18 equals 6 plus 12. Final answer, 18. All right, guys, good luck. Review. Your test is next. Have a good day, guys.